I am Revati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from SNS College of Technology. In our today DT-based activities on array, already we know that array is one of the type of data structure. Array is nothing but a collection of similar data type. Our students are going to explain about what are all the operations are available on that array. The operations are nothing but insertion, deletion, traverse, searching and updation. Our students are going to perform how the operations are performed one by one in detailed manner. Let's start with the definition of array.
So let us see how an array works. An array stores elements at consecutive memory locations and each element has a unique index. So for example, the students are standing in consecutive order where the numbers displayed at the top are the index values and the elements at the down are the values stored at the...
We will start from the index value 0. The 0th index contains the value of 10 and the first index contains the value of 20. The second is 40, third is 50 and the fourth index value will be left for further operations. Yes, we start with the traversal of the elements.
So let us see how traversal works. I will visit every element one by one. Manager points out each student. So students are standing in the position with the index and the values. Let us see how array traversal works.
Let's see how searching performs. Now let's find the value 40 and I'll visit one by one where the index values and the elements are present. I'm the element 10 and she is 20, 40 and 50 and fourth index is empty and now the 40 element is at the index 2.
So now I'm going to tell about how to insert an element in an array. We need to insert value 30 at index 2 and currently the index at 2, 3 and 4 should move one position to the right. Also notice that the existing element should shift to make one space for the new elements.
The next will be the updating an existing element by another one element.
The array manager wants to update the value from 30 to 35 and now the student standing at the index 2 represents the value 30 and now the student card wants to change the value from 30 to 35.
Yes, now the value will be updated 30 by 35. The next will be the deletion operation.
So now let's see how deletion works. So now we are going to delete the number 35 from the index value 2. So the student holding the 35 leaves and the remaining elements next to the 35 will move one step to the left.
Next is the shifting process. Yes. The 40 number is stored in the index value 2, then the 50 is in the index value 3, the fourth index value will be in the empty position. This video is helpful for understanding the what is meant by array, how the elements are stored in the array list. Then next is the how the operations will be performed in the array in the detailed manner by the students. Yes, thank you so much for the activity. Yes, we have seen about the role play on the topic of array and how the operations are performed on the array elements. Let's see have some small discussion on what is meant by array and what is meant by linked list and how it differs from one by another one. Yes, let's start with the definition of array. Anyone tell me the definition of array?
Array that contains similar types of data types.
Yes, can anyone tell me the definition of linked list? Yes, both are the linear data structure, but it will differs the operations and memory locations by storing the elements in the memory locations. Yes, can anyone tell me the difference between the linked list and array?
So the elements can store at contiguous memory location, but in linked list it will be the nodes are stored in non-contiguous memory location. In array, the size is after creation, but in a linked list, it is a dynamic node. We can change it after the creation and it is removed easily. For the array, insertion and deletions are slower because of shifting, but in linked list it is faster due to direct update.
Yes, well done. Next is the conclusion part. Can anyone conclude this which is better than another one?
Yes, ma'am. So to conclude, array and linked list are both important data structures. An array has a better memory location and it is suitable for fixed size data. On the other hand, linked lists have dynamic memory location and they have a faster insertion and deletion operation, and they are suitable for changing sizes of data. So both are important, and the choice of arrays or linked list is based on the applications that we use.
Yes, well done. Thank you for discussion.